Hello everyone, I'd like to welcome you to the introductory video to the aeromedical evacuation application version 1.0 for fall 2018. My name is Jake Lopez. I was one of the team members on this senior project along with Alvaro de Castro and Cesar Villa-Garcia. Our product owners were Ruman Almaguer, Bridget Beleaz, and Robin Yang, and our professor was Masoud Sajadi. For a little background on the application, we were tasked with creating a mobile application to aid with FIU's training program on aeromedical evacuation, which is led by the Academy of Disaster Preparedness. They run a 2-week training program in which there is a lot of information distilled to medical professionals such as EMTs and nurses on how to perform standard medical procedures on an airplane. Because of the large amount of information in a short period of time, participants in the program often complained about not receiving materials in advance and not having enough time with materials in order to prepare themselves for each day. Because of this app was presented as a senior project. Because this is the first version of the application, we went in with nothing existing already. The major goal for this semester for the application was to take all of the current existing lecture content and import it into the application. So here is the application running on an iPhone simulator. As you can see, we have a couple of tabs at the bottom. This organ systems tab was meant to be able to sort through different information based on the system that it was associated with. We have the lecture tab, which contains all of the lecture PowerPoints as well as breakdowns for specific lectures. And we have a favorites tab where you can favorite lectures to quickly refer back to them. One of the main tasks this semester was breaking down the lecture information from the PowerPoint into more mobile-friendly means. For instance, we have this respiratory tab, which has links to different sections which contain breakdowns of the more important portions of the PowerPoint itself, as well as a tab for the actual PowerPoint. There's also some interactivity on these. For instance, in the burn management tab, we have an equation section which contains some important equations from the actual presentation with an interactive calculator for calculating the albumin protocol for burn victims, as well as a burn identification quiz, which is currently in the Safe for Work version as the images contained are quite graphic, which a user can interact with in order to test their ability to determine burn degrees. So the current state of the application is that we have all of the lecture content on the application itself, with some lectures having minimal amounts of interactivity, as well as a method of favoriting files in order to allow the user to quickly navigate between them. Once again, my name is Jake Lopez with the Aeromedical Evacuation app team for version 1.0 in fall 2018 semester, and good luck on the project.